Hey everybody, I'm back today with another unboxing video. This one comes with a very special announcement. I am so excited that I have accepted a spot on Pear Blossom Press design team. We're going to talk about what Pear Blossom Press sells, the products they create. This is, you guys, I am like the girl that tries it all, right? I'm not afraid to dig in. I'm not afraid to finger paint. I'm not afraid to get messy. I'm not afraid to do anything. And these products, I hope to be able to use them and in a completely new, different, fun way. I'm super excited. So I am going to share my initial design team package with you, and we're going to talk about what Pear Blossom Press sells, what they kind of what they're known for. And then in the description box below, you will find a link to the store if you want to check out any of the products that I have here. So first of all, they do some fun adhesives. I'm going to try to see if I can get this out here. This is a foam tape. Now, what makes this different than other foam tapes is the part I'm going to show you right here. Okay. And it is this. Repositionable for 30 minutes and permanent in 24 hours. Specifically, the repositionable for 30 minutes. So this is the double thick foam tape, so perfect for shakers, for creating wells. And the cool part is if you mess it up the first time, you can fix it. So that I'm super excited about. Because while I love my foam tape and I use it all the time, currently in my scrapbook room, none of my foam tape is the kind that starts out repositionable. It is all, once I stick it down, it's sticking down forever. But the idea that I can change my mind for up to 30 minutes and move this tape around makes me super happy. So that's that. Now let's talk about what Pear Blossom Press is actually really known for. And it is this. Light up cards. So I'm going to kind of take out the lights first, and then we'll talk about the rest of the fun goodies that they sent me. We'll put those up there. But so Pear Blossom Press is known for their lights. You can create light up cards with their products. I want to create light up scrapbook pages. That's my goal. So, and when I asked them about doing that, they were like, yeah, go for it. And I'm so excited. So I don't know anybody else that does light up scrapbook pages. And I recognize that there will probably be a learning curve, right? We have some things we got to deal with. I've got some things I have to kind of come around with. First of all, we want our light up scrapbook pages to not light up when the book is closed. I think right now that's my biggest thing. I've got to figure out a way to make it so that a person can push down on the scrapbook page and it will light up. But simultaneously, if it is shut into a book, it won't just stay lit up. So that is number one. I understand the assignment that I have to figure this out. So that's the biggest and first thing. The other thing that I kind of have to figure out is how will a page protector work with that, right? Are we going to need to alter the page protectors? Are they going to be fine just the way they are? So I get that there's going to be a learning curve. And I also understand that I'm going to have a learning curve just learning how to use this, because electronic stuff, I don't know. That's not, but I have lots of lights here to play with. So first we have the halo light. There's 6 of the lights. Batteries are included. So you can see here how you can push down 2. There are 2 of these halo lights and 4 of these little individual lights. I love the idea of this halo light. And I'll tell you why. I feel like this halo light with with a shaker, because you guys know I do my shakers all the time, right? Like I do my sequin shakers on my scrapbook pages. So my thought process is that what if we incorporated this into a sequin shaker, so that what we're lighting up, like in this picture, would be the sequins and the shaker. And I think that that helps with our page problem, with making sure things don't stay lit up. Because if you see where, like this part, this is the push down part. So we could cover that up, right? Just like we're supposed to. But then you'll have that lift from the foam tape. And maybe that would give it enough lift that the pressure button wouldn't be pushed when you shut the book. Again, this is a whole new exciting thing that I've got to figure out. The next pack of lights I got is called the Easy Light. This is a 3-pack. Batteries are included. And yeah, see, like there's wires. This is going to be fun. Super fun, but also like I'm a little, I definitely am excited to like learn something new. It has been, I've been scrapbooking for like 22, 23 years, right? And I feel like there isn't a whole lot I haven't at some point experimented with, tried, or learned how to do. But this, I've never tried. So this is going to be all new. I'm taking you along on this ride, on this journey. We'll see how it goes. So this is a 5-pack of the one light. This is thin flashlights for handmade cards, scrapbook pages, and more. So we're gonna play with this. I really think that we can overcome those little obstacles that I'm a little unsure about. The last package of lights that I have here are the candle lights. These are a 2-pack. These are really cute. I like how the light is up here. So it's one light, it's up here, and then down here is where all the circuitry is. And again, I feel like we could have some fun with this and do that. So I am super excited to experiment and learn how these work and have fun with them. So those were all the lights that I was sent. And then we have some more super cute products from Pear Blossom Press. So this is a stamp set that has all those little words. I love this little light bulb that says handmade for you. There is little like twinkles. You guys, I love my twinkles. We could put twinkles on scrapbook pages and have them light up. Ah! So there's also all these little words that we need so that if we are giving a card, people know, push, pull, press, do that. So that is so super cute. I got some cute little, like acrylic pieces. So these are candle flames, which that's super cute. And then I also got the sticks, the candle sticks. So we have those. And then I have some vellum. These is translucent vellum, 45 sheets, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Or we could die cut them and maybe have a light up title on our scrapbook page. I don't know. See, this is where my brain goes. Okay, so these are all the colors you can kind of see here. There's lots and lots and lots of colors here. Just pull out some of them. I don't want to, I'm afraid if I take this out, I won't be able to get it back in. And I don't want to, not ready for that yet. And then I have another pack of vellum. This is translucent white vellum. Glitter and mirror cardstock. So 10 colors of glitter, 10 colors of mirror cardstock. So lots of cute, fun things to play with. And then we have some Pear Blossom Press gel pens. Now, you guys know that I really love to add white details to things. And I have never used Pear Blossom Press's white gel pen. So could this be the gel pen I love? I don't know. We'll have to see. So there's white, silver, and gold in here. And so that is my initial design team package from Pear Blossom Press. I am super excited to start playing with these. And once I've got this all figured out, you best be sure there will be videos, there will be projects. We will be playing with lights. I might start my design team projects with a card or two and a card making video just to get the mechanics of it down. That might be how I go. I might start with a card or two for my first project or two to kind of get the mechanism down, understand what I'm working with, and then kind of see how I can take that knowledge and apply it into a scrapbook page. So I hope you will come on this journey with me for next year, that we can have a ton of fun and learn together how to have cute little light up elements on our scrapbook pages, right? Okay, everyone, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will talk to you again soon. This video is going up on Sunday. I also have a video, a process video going up over at a Cherry on Top's YouTube channel. It's a beautiful project, and I hope that you will also run over there and check it out. Okay, guys, talk to you later. Bye.